Hello friends, today we will see how to insert image in the HTML. So open the new page. I just click on file, new. So type the basic HTML format. Okay, so now we will add one h1 tag saying title my home image. So save this file in desktop saying that home image.html. After saving the file, now let's use new element called img. So in the img we can use only single tag like this, saying that source is equal to, we need one image. So for this, let's go to the desktop. So in the desktop I want to have one image, so like home cam5 dot something like this. So there is an image here, so we need to copy this image name. Right click, rename, and copy this, Ctrl C, and close this. So here in the double quotes paste the image name dot jpg. So jpg is for image. Okay, so now save this again and open this in the Chrome browser. So let me open the Chrome browser. Here is my Chrome. So click on file, open. So in the desktop we have the new HTML called home image.html. Open this. So we can see the h1 and we can see the image is loading. Now we can resize this image, means we want to adjust the height and width of this image. So go back to the notepad and here after the double quotes say width. I am saying 500 pixels. So what is pixels? We will see this in the next session. Okay, and height you mention like 500. Even if you don't mention this, that's fine. So now again file, save, go back to Chrome, refresh. So it is now the image is showing 500 pixels width, 500 pixels height. You can also adjust it to the percentage. So if this browser width is like completely 100%, you want 50% of your browser screen. So what you will do, you go back to the brackets. So say height is 50 percentage, height is also 50 percentage. So save this, refresh. So you can see exactly 50% of height and width, it is loading. Okay, thanks for watching.